This video we will see possible solution of error bad length error code 24 on Windows 11 and Windows 10, and such type of error message you will receive. The program issued a command but the command length is incorrect. If you are also facing such type of error code with error message, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is reboot your system. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve various type of errors in your system. So you must reboot your system. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator and in command prompt Windows execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any bad and corrupted files in your system and repair them accordingly. The next workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to privacy and security. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and click on Windows security. Here choose virus and threat protection and a new Windows security page will open. Here click on scan options and on the next page you will find 4 options. Here choose full scan and finally click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. Follow on screen instruction to complete the scanning process on your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side go to Windows Update and click on it. Thereafter go to right side and click on check for updates, and if any update available, download and install it in your system. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error appear on your screen, so you must update your operating system. That's all.